Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make ofada sauce from dehydrated peppers. I got this from Amazon. It's from Simi and Temi, and this is dehydrated peppers. So I will soak it up in water, 2 cups of water for 2 hours, so that way I can get it the shape I want. Then I get some oil. This is bleach oil, by the way, bleach palm oil. And now I'm going to be adding some onions and some locust beans. We'll fry up the locust beans and onions for a little bit so the onions is translucent. And then we'll add the pepper. So this is the pepper, and this is what it looks like after 2 hours in the water. Then we can add our meat, protein. So I'm just adding some smoked shrimp meats that I have, seasoning it with salt and chicken bouillon and crayfish. And then once that is mixed, I let it cook for a while. And then very easy recipe, add some boiled eggs, and that's all you need. Very easy. It's less step with the dehydrated peppers. Very delicious. You can eat this with anything you want, rice, pasta. Thank you.